know how important and beneficial it is to create the record of all the messages that you receive from your customers, clients, or leads and in a systematic order in Google Sheets? Now, people usually think that adding the data from WhatsApp to Google Sheets every time a message is coming is a very time consuming part. How will they do this manually because they receive lots and tons of messages on WhatsApp every single day? So instead of adding the messages manually from your WhatsApp business account into your Google Sheets, I have created this setup. So if I'm going to see, first of all, I'll show you in my Google Sheets, there is no other message. If I'm going to simply send a message right here that, hello, I need some help from you, okay? So I have entered this message in front of you, send it. In Google Sheets, you will see automatically the record is created. First of all, let me show you. There is no one in the spreadsheet right now. It's just me. No one has entered this message manually. The automatic record creation was not done by anybody else but this setup that we have created. So every time you receive a new WhatsApp message, you will see the systematic record of the person who have sent the WhatsApp message as well as the message that has been forwarded in Google Sheets. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. So let's move on with this video. So I will be creating this setup using the automation software Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and you will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, if you're creating this setup with me in this video, after coming to the landing page, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create the setup absolutely for free without paying any cost. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect, you want to purchase their yearly or lifetime plans to get more benefits of Pabbly Connect, use my code on the left side of the screen to get the highest discounts. Now I'm already a user. I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and created this automation setup. Now, if you want the template that I am using in the video, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. It's absolutely free to use. Okay, so now we are going to set up our trigger connection. For managing the WhatsApp conversations in my business, I use Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing software that will help you to manage the WhatsApp conversations easily and efficiently in your business as well. If you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow and all the other features, check out our YouTube channel. We have created a playlist specifically for Pabbly Chatflow. You can go ahead, watch all our videos and learn about Pabbly Chatflow and everything. Now, I want that as soon as on my WhatsApp new message is received, my trigger should capture the response of that. My trigger is Pabbly Chatflow new message received. Now, if you're using Vati, Interact, WhatsApp Cloud API for managing the WhatsApp business account of your business, you have to select that trigger accordingly. Okay. Now, I have already selected things. Now, to create the connection between WhatsApp, Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, you have to copy this URL from here, recapture the response first, and then after that, you have to log into your Pabbly Chatflow account. After logging in, you have to go towards the settings option and API and webhook section. After coming to API and webhook, click on this add webhook button right over here and first name your webhook. For the name of my webhook over here, I'll write it as new message received as the name of my webhook. For the URL, I will paste the webhook URL and the event, I'll select it as new message received. So as soon as a new message is going to be received in my Pabbly Chatflow account, automatically towards this webhook URL, the response is going to be forwarded. I'm going to add this webhook from here and it says new message received. So as now the URL is added of Pabbly Connect inside Pabbly Chatflow, you will see in the response, you will receive this webhook URL verification initiated. And if you will receive the status as success, this will state the URL is successfully added in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now we want the response of the new message received in this trigger. So I'm going to recapture the response right over here. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is done or not, I am going to send another message on my WhatsApp number as a customer, and then we'll see is the response of that same message captured in the trigger or not. Okay, so now my message that I'm forwarding is So the message is, hey, do you provide social media marketing services? Okay, I've sent this message. As soon as now I've done that, within few seconds you will see the response of the same message that has been forwarded is going to be captured in the trigger. So I will wait and show you the response that I've received. And you can see this is the response I've captured. Status is success. A new message has been received from the user. It's the same message, that is, hey, do you provide social media marketing services? If I'll further scroll down, you will see the phone number of the person who has sent the message as well in the same response. So as now the response has been captured, Pabbly Chatflow is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's send this message and keep it as a record in our Google Sheets. For that, we're going to set up our action steps, that is Google Sheets, add new row. Now after opening the step, click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. Now select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet. After that, it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After creating the connection, first we have to select the spreadsheet. So I have created a spreadsheet in the name of WhatsApp leads. So I will select it over here. Sheet is in the name of sheet 1. Now it is asking for the phone number in the message. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is the process where you can enter the data from the previous step. Add / previous step is going to appear and search for the phone number right here. Now this is the phone number that I want to keep as a record in Google Sheets. So I'm going to select the data of this phone number from my previous response, which makes this data mapped. And as now this data is mapped, the data is now dynamic. Now whenever a new response of a message is going to be captured in the trigger step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the message that I have received over here in this step. Click on the save and send test request button. I have received this response, which is a positive response, and in Google Sheets you will see the record of the same phone number and the same message is created successfully. So as now the record is created, the connection between WhatsApp and Google Sheets is now completed. Now whenever on your WhatsApp business account a new message from your client, lead or customer is going to be forwarded, automatically you will see the systematic record of all the messages added in Google Sheets. You don't have to assign this task to anyone, just simply create this setup. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below and I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.